Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, I hope everybody's happy. So on my way to the house I stopped by at Screwfix to make a purchase and this is what I ended up buying. So this is no nonsense carpet protector. Cost £14 a roll. I think it's 25 metres. Where are we? Yeah, 25 metres by half a metre wide. And the reason I needed it was because I mean, this carpet down here, there's one or two carpets in the property which are not very good, but the one in here, in the lounge, is actually quite an expensive carpet, and you know, I want to try and retain it if I can. Now there is an area over there which needs covering, and as you can see, I mean, all of the carpet has been covered pretty much. Some of it's starting to come up a little bit now. I mean, this stuff isn't supposed to be down indefinitely. So what I wanted to do was to get something to protect the carpet, just cut up any pieces which are frayed or you know, which are no longer doing the job which they're down for. And so for 14 quid I consider this to be quite a decent investment. Now basically if you buy more than one of these, if you buy sort of 2 or 3, you can get them much cheaper. They're about £10 a roll. This carpet here, I'm not going to bother with that. Sorry, I'm not going to bother protecting it. So this is just going to stay down just to protect the floor basically. But I do want to protect this big carpet in here because it's going to be quite expensive to replace, and it is a decent one. So I'm just going to pull up any of the old carpet protector which is no longer doing its job. I'm going to replace it with this. I'll reset the camera and I'll get back to you. I've never actually used this stuff before. I've normally just put down old curtains or something like that, or a tarp. But given how effective, and incidentally, this this stuff here, I didn't actually put it down. It's put down by the electricians when they came to rewire the house. So, where's the end? The existing carpet protector does appear to be a lot thicker than this no-nonsense stuff. So, I think we'll leave it like that.